Okay, Norm, we're now ready to demonstrate how a service technician would use the app, and you're going to do that for us. Is that correct?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so we're under the hood of a car now.
So I just turned on my flashlight. As you'll notice, it helps out quite a bit for the visibility.
Yep.
We'll go ahead and get ready, and then I'll go ahead and just press play to resume where I left off.
Okay.
Okay, Greg, we've got your hood open here. We're just going to take a look around, make sure your fluid levels look all right. Windshield wiper fluid looks great. Let's come on over here. I just wanted to point out your battery looks pretty much brand new, so you're good there. There's not really any corrosion on it whatsoever.
So it's good to point out the positive things about somebody's car during an inspection. Is that correct?
Oh, that's right. You don't want to bring it into your shop and just tell them, hey, this car is falling apart. They're never going to want to buy another one, right?
So you want to point out what's good so they realize you're not there just to sell them something that's bad, but you also want to let them know there's some good things that you're seeing under the hood too.
Sending customers videos builds trust like nothing else. That's
right.
What you're after.
Okay.
So we've shown them the video of the battery and some of its fluid levels, and I think that's enough for this car. There's not really anything to harp on, so we'll go ahead and click stop. Just like we saw before, you can review that video here, make sure everything checks out. You can add any notes you want. Looks great. And go ahead and select that as other in this case, no real damage for us to talk about, and just click save. One last final screen, you can choose to add this to the repair order. And right then and there, it is uploading the file off to TEXT2DRIVE. You'll see it pop into your media library. Now, as a technician, some dealerships will allow you to send this video to your customer and some won't. We leave that up to your dealership to decide how they want that to be set up.
So we can set it up in advance to allow either a technician to send it directly or a technician to send it to the advisor who then sends it on.
That's correct. If you so choose, the technician will not even be able to send it out to the customer. The advisor will have to do so.
So let's say in this case, the technician can send it, right?
Okay, so we click on our actions button. We click share media. All right, now here we'll be prompted to select anything we want to send. See our movie pop in.
Yep.
Click on it, you get the green check mark. And finally, you just click this share button. You're just confirming that you're going to share it with the customer. This customer already has a media timeline because we sent them these three items before.
Right. Good.
And then again, it will bring you to the cell chat screen for that customer in case they have any questions or in case you want to send anything else to them.
Okay, now how could you check if you're an advisor technician what media has been sent and when it was sent?
Sure. So again, pull up that repair order. We still have our VIN search from before. Now here, you can check what has been sent. You can also click on these items to see them in more detail.
Okay.
And finally, you can actually see the customer's timeline. This is essentially what your customer is seeing. And like you were just asking for, not only does it show what was sent, but it also gives you a timeline of when those items were sent off to that customer.
Oh, that's so nice and handy. Great. I appreciate it, Norm.
No problem. We're really excited about this one.
Yeah, we are. Thank you very much, Norm. Bye-bye.